Hey guys, I'm Raksha, and in this video, we are going to learn about ODBC connectivity in a paginated report. In order to make a connection, you will require three simple steps. So let's get started. So first step is to have the ODBC driver in your PC. So as you can see on my screen, I am on this particular website wherein I have this Databrick ODBC driver. The reason being, we are calling data from a Databrick environment to our paginated report. Okay, so we are going to require this driver in our PC. So this is one. The next stage is to have an access token. So currently, as you can see, this is my Databrick environment. In the Databrick environment, when I hit this settings option and then go to user settings, so I shall see that this particular page pops up, and in the top left corner you shall see then access token option right there. So currently, I already have my access token with me, and I don't have any permission to generate another new token to show you in the demo. But in your case, please feel free to generate this access token because we are going to need it anyway. Okay. This is actually acting as a secret key in order to have a more secure connection. Okay. Then the next stage is to have the necessary credentials. So the credentials will be here in the clusters. So in a case of Databrick environment, a cluster is a very crucial thing. In order to work around with anything, whether you are executing a notebook or making a connection, you are required to have at least one cluster running with you. Okay. So when you go to this compute option, in the compute option, you shall see that whatever is the cluster that you have, you shall see that cluster over there. So in my case, I have this ETL cluster right here. So in the ETL cluster, when I will expand this advanced option, I should see this JDBC ODBC connection. Okay. So these are some necessary credentials that I need to keep a copy of in order to make a secure connections in a paginated report. So I hope the three initial things that are mentioned in this video are informative. And next, we are going to use these three things in order to create a complete connection. Let's see how it goes in our next video. Thank you for watching.